YouTube. So this is the start of my birthday vlog. I don't have my lipstick on, so if I look weird, that's probably what it is. This is what I feel like is the start of my birthday celebration, because today I am going to get a mani-pedi. It's August 26th, so I still have like 5 days until my birthday, but I'm gonna get a mani-pedi today because I'm gonna get it with Gloss Lab. They actually do waterless mani-pedis. I saw like the duration of my like mani-pedi. It's only supposed to be 30 minutes, which is crazy. That's one of my pet peeves about getting my nails done. Like, you know, some people find it relaxing, and I love the massage part, and then I love how I feel after. But I don't like sitting there for so long. Like, it's just so like frustrating to me. And then to not be able to like use my hands and stuff. So anyways, I'm really excited about this. I'm probably gonna film a lot of it on my phone, so apologize for the footage in advance. I also probably can't film most of it if it's gonna be with my hands, but I want to take you guys along for the ride and to start this birthday vlog. Yes, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm not gonna lie, it's been a few days. It is now August 30th, so it's the day before my birthday. Last I checked in with you guys, I think it was getting my nails done, and so I just got white on the toes, so that doesn't matter. And now my fingers, I just got like a nude color with a little bit of silver detail, because I'm gonna be wearing something that's really silver-ish. Right now I just did this really light makeup. I'm really pushing myself here because I had bought a few things to take like birthday pictures, and so I have them. I had them for a while now, and like now that it's getting closer, I'm just like really not even in the mood. So but anyway, I'm pushing myself. That's why I have like a really light makeup look, because I'm like, I don't really even care. But I'm gonna take the pictures because I already got the stuff for it, and I said I would celebrate, so I'm gonna celebrate. I'm gonna use like this shirt that I have from Moody Fits Boutique on Instagram. I'll have it on the screen somewhere, but this top is really cute. I actually took pictures in it, I think for New Year's of last year, for like, I don't know, some selfies. But it's like this really pretty, I don't know if you guys can see, it's really, it has these little rhinestone things. Oh, also, new hair color. Yeah, 6 hours ish until midnight, until I'm 29. Goddamn, how did I get here? No, I'm really grateful. Even if life seems a little bit tough right now because of some pain I'm going through, I'm really grateful to be here. I'm gonna have balloons, so I'm really excited to play with Dash with the balloons. Hopefully he's not scared, because my mom's cat is scared of balloons, like terribly scared of balloons. Like, he hisses. He's like, anytime we have any kind of party or whatever with balloons, he's like hiding in the room for hours. So Dash, I think he played with a balloon before and he was okay. We shall see, but I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just finished my little shoot. I didn't have any behind the scenes because it was, I kind of did it really quick. But look at Dash with this balloon. Hold on. If he pops it, he's gonna go crazy. But he likes it. Oh my god, he's gonna scare me. Dash. Dash, don't bite it. He's gonna scare himself. Oh my god, he's trying to bite it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the aftermath of the shoot, because the shoot was actually in my tub. So let me show you guys. It's not much of an aftermath. There's just a lot of balloons and then this thingy here. But yeah, it was a really quick little thing. Now I still have to go like get all these balloons out of there, because I have to rinse my hair out since it has conditioner in it, and then I have to straighten it because the hairstyle that I'm doing tomorrow requires straight hair. So I still have a lot to do, and I'm gonna go take off my makeup now. I just wanted to catch up with you guys really quick because I said I would, but I'll see you guys later. Hey YouTube, it's my birthday. Yes it is. I am officially 29 years old. I don't know how that happened, but whatever, I'm here. I'm actually in a pretty good mood right now. Also, oh, that's bad lighting. I just seen it in my mirror. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Hold on. I didn't vlog. Actually, I got a little clip of the breakfast place that I just went to. So my boyfriend, is also our anniversary when it's my birthday. So yeah, so it's our anniversary as well. So we went to eat breakfast, this really cute place. And it's like really, really cute. And then after that, we also went to Ulta because I've been wanting to get my hands on some Ariana Grande Rem Beauty makeup products ever since it came out. And I just haven't, like, when it comes to buying myself stuff, sometimes I'm a little like, I don't know, I just don't always do it. But anyway, I finally picked up some things. Unfortunately, they didn't have my shade of concealer, but I was able to try some in person and I know what to order online. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Ulta. Also, I wore this dress that I got from Fashion Nova. You guys have seen this dress on my Instagram already, but I didn't know I was gonna go out during the day, so I didn't get an outfit for it particularly, so I just threw this on. But I have a really dope dress for dinner tonight, so I am really excited. So from Rem Beauty, I got their Miss Mercury highlight. I tried a bunch of their products and the quality is amazing. So I got their Miss Mercury highlighter and it looks like this. And this is how it looks. So pretty. Oh, I've been wanting this. This is like one of the first products that came out. This is their white coal, what is it called? So Mod eyeliner. So it's a pencil eyeliner and it's white. And this is gonna be perfect for my makeup look on Saturday. So I'm excited about this. I've been wanting a really good, I have like a white eyeliner, but it's a liquid one. So I've been wanting a pencil one for a while. And now I have it. And it's from Ariana Grande, so super idea. I also got her new hand and body cream, God is a Woman. God is a Woman is my favorite Ariana Grande song. This hand cream, it's a hand and body cream. Smells so good. It is the perfume in a lotion and it's so good. I'm so mad it's so little though, and I just said so many times, but this smells so good. Really, really good. Okay, and that was all I got as far as Ariana Grande because, as I said, Ulta, like in the store, they have a small stock. Okay, so this is the concealer that I was recommended, and this is amazing. I only put a really, like a little bit right here, and it did a lot. So this is this concealer. And then I just got some lashes. I wanted to try these Demi Wispies. I think I had these before. I don't know if I had this color before. I mean, this number or style before, but I wanted to try them. And then we went to this herb shop, and I'm always asking for natural herbs and stuff to kind of get rid of or ease menstrual cramps because I don't like taking Tylenol or like medication because that's like, I just don't like putting that much chemicals in my body like every month, which is so contradicting because I put so much other crap in my body, but I'm working on it. All right, anyways, so I got this herbal supplement. It's a cramp release symptom soother. So I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna try it on my next cycle and let my ladies know if it actually works, because if it does, this is where we headed. All right. I did try from my last vlog, I tried the mixers like menstrual thing, smoothie thing that's supposed to relieve cramps. It didn't do anything for me. I get really strong cramps sometimes, and it just didn't do anything for me. I feel like I was just talking a lot now, and right now I'm just killing time. Not really killing time, I'm relaxing because I was out since 8 this morning, I think. And last night at midnight, my mom and my brother came over and surprised me with a whole carrot cake, which I'll insert a picture here. Isn't it beautiful? Carrot cake is my favorite thing ever. I love carrot cake. I'm gonna just chill out for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start getting ready for dinner. And my outfit, listen, I'm not even ready, so I don't think y'all ready for it, honestly. Like, but I'm gonna go. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. YouTube. So I'm vlogging from my phone real quick because I don't have my memory card inside of the camera and I don't feel like doing all that right now. I'm tired. Also, I just got vitamin water and I haven't had this in years, and I used to fiend for this like when I was really young. Today is September 1st, the day after my birthday. Restaurant that I went to last night, it was Living Room Sushi and Steakhouse, and it's in Coney Island, and they just opened not that long ago. They didn't have a lot of people there. It was really chill. It was really nice. I enjoyed my time there. So today on the agenda, I got my gift. My boyfriend actually scheduled a tattoo artist that I absolutely love on Instagram. His name is @Tivas. I'm gonna have it somewhere on the screen here. He is so fucking dope. Like, ever since I've seen his work, I'm just like, oh my god, I need him to tattoo me. And so today I got surprised. Well, last night at dinner, he told me that I have my tattoo appointment for today, and it's a tattoo that commemorates my friend who passed away. Well, I'm not gonna cry, but it's really beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys my, like, it has a tape thing over it, so right now, you know, can't really see much, but it commemorates her, and I'll tell the story if you guys want me to, but for now I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm just gonna go take a shower in a little bit, and I just wanted to check in with you guys because this is still part of my birthday. I'm still celebrating my birthday. I'm really grateful for the birthday that I've had. I haven't even had time to really process it because it just, you know, kind of started. Obviously, I still have celebration to have on Saturday, and I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited about everything going on right now. And I'll see you guys possibly tomorrow, but I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. We shall see. But I love you guys, and I'll see you late. Well, I'll see you at another time. Good night. What's up, YouTube? It is Saturday, September 3rd. Yes, it is Saturday, September 3rd. It is about 1 p.m. right now, and I'm about to start putting on my makeup. I'm about to put on my face moisturizer. I'm really happy right now, as you guys can see. So I'm about to do a little bit of skincare right quick. My face looks a little red because I just washed it, and I use the Organic Skin Co. face cleanser. I don't know the name of it right now, but sometimes it gets my face a little bit red because it is like natural fruit extracts, I think. Y'all don't quote me, but it just does. It doesn't like harm my skin though. It looks like it is, but it doesn't. It's just my skin is a little sensitive to like any kind of acids, and it's just normal. So right now I'm just prepping my skin for some makeup. I'm going to dinner at Peachy King, which is like a 70s. Oh, my lips look crazy. Sheesh. It's a 70s themed restaurant. I'm trying to see. I have to shave my mustache. Yeah, it's a 70s themed restaurant, so I'm really excited about it. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do my makeup. I'm just gonna do my makeup. Hopefully this coffee allows me to move fast, and I'm gonna be back with you guys later. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all, so my makeup is done. I did like a soft cut crease with orange because my outfit has mostly orange, and that's the color I'm making pop. And of course I had to have the white liner in the waterline. I'm disappointed with the Ariana Rem Beauty Kohl pencil, this thing right here, because I thought this was gonna work really well in my waterline, and that's not even what I have in my waterline. I had to put like a white like cream and then set it with some translucent powder, but I really thought that was gonna be, oh, my angle is so weird right now. I really thought that was gonna be like perfect for my waterline, but no, it was not. I guess it's to kind of just create the graphic liner on the eyes, which I guess, but I really wanted it to work in the waterline, so I'm a bit disappointed with that. It is really creamy though. Like when I tried it on my hand, it was really creamy. It's really like easy to work with, but apparently it just doesn't go in the waterline. So I don't know if that's a me thing, but I really wanted it to work in the waterline. But my makeup is done, minus my lips. I always leave my lips for last because I'm still not time to go. I'm gonna be like drinking and probably eating stuff before I'm fully ready. So I'm gonna do my lips like when my hair is done. I'm gonna get to this hair now because it is about to be 3 o'clock. It's 2:52, and I gotta get my hair done because I'm not too great with the hair, y'all. I'm decent, but I'm not too great with it. So I have to get to it now. Just in case the hairstyle doesn't work out, I have to come up with something else. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, y'all, so look at my hair. I did that. It actually came out how it was supposed to. I am really happy about that. I still didn't do my lipstick. It's still early. It's 3:33 actually, so change your number. Yeah, I'm ready pretty early. My reservation isn't until 7 p.m. So I have some time to kill. I'm gonna probably get dressed around 4:30. Like, so I have a whole hour to just sit here and do nothing. Probably gonna watch YouTube videos or something, or I'm just gonna pack up everything else that I have to pack up, because I was gonna get dressed, but it is really early to get dressed. But today I'm really excited about this like whole outfit and everything that I'm putting together. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the time to like really organize my brain real quick and see what else I have to take. I'll be back when I have my outfit on.
Business, but can't put it in rotation. Remember bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't front life, cause these bitches be playing. Too much pain up in this, but can't put it in rotation. Remember bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't front life, cause these bitches be playing. They don't want you to win, they want you to lose. Gotta keep it quiet when you bustin' your moves. Feelings got me aching.